A 9. Oh, you ain't give a bike. Burchda HC26. What are your thoughts?
Humongous bike.
Big.
It's for the big boys. However, I do think women can ride this too because it has a little slant. The suspension on this bike is amazing. I said 8 initially, but I give the suspension a 9.
A 9. Okay.
Yeah.
Is that because of the suspension in the back or the front or both? Okay.
It absorbs the bumps well. The seat is good. I get a seat like a 7.5. I felt safe. I didn't feel shaky at all. I think that the brakes work real good. I felt good on the gravel, the off-road. This is a solid bike.
Okay.
I don't really have much bad to say about it. I think that it takes maybe a little bit too long for the pedal assist to kick in.
Okay.
Not that it takes long for it to kick in. It just takes a little bit of effort.
So what you giving it on a scale from 1 to 10?
I'm gonna give it a 9.
A 9. Oh, you ain't give a bike.